Most of you believed that a 14,000 odd level on Nifty could well be breached when at 16,000 levels the markets around the world were falling like dominoes, and this happened recently. Most of you felt elated otherwise as the markets went northwards, closer to the lifetime highs of 18,350. No complaints here, as most of you made decent money, unless you had bet on shorting the indices. Now at 18,000 odd and near ever-time high levels of Nifty, most of you feel the markets have run up too fast and have become expensive. The million-dollar question that you are asking is, what should I do with my investments and excess funds with me right now? This special episode of the Third Umpire covers all the logic, data, insights, and a word of advice from the Team Informed InvestoRR at Research and Ranking. See you on the other side on Sunday morning, as we always do, on R&R's YouTube channel, and if you want to see it first, then on the Informed Investor app that you see on iOS and Android platforms, as we unravel the answers of what you should be doing when Nifty at 18,000 odd levels is seen.